Hey divine family, I hope you all are well and fine and positive. Let's check the energies for you today. आज के दिन में energies. I hope you all have read this question. Please focus on your person's name, focus on your name and comment your person's and your name as well so that you can connect with these energies. Focus on your person's name. Continuously you have to just focus on your person's name. Okay. A special connection I can see. A special divine connection exists between two of you. Please read the caption below for the full reading.